Long time no see. It's your girl, Fireworks, aka Jasmine here. Back, what, 10 months later? I don't know. My baby is 10 months, so I just assume that's the last time I filmed a video. Maybe 9 months ago, I'm not sure. Anyways, I'm back for a hair update video. I'm about to do a wash and go using some new products. Brought 4 products, so here are the deep conditioners. I used this on my son today, so we'll see how that goes with the whole 24 hours. I believe it's based in Dallas. My package came in from Dallas, so it took like 2 days to get here in Houston. I'm gonna use this one today. This one is more moisturizing and this is more protein based, so I need a little bit more protein TLC because my hair has been breaking out. I had braids for a wig, so I had to sew in, and my hair broke out pretty bad as far as like edges and stuff. So I need to make sure I get some strength back into my hair. For styling, I'm going to use their curling cream and their gel. I used this on my son earlier. His hair was pretty soft. Matter of fact, both of these in the conditioner will leave his hair soft, and it smells very good. The gel is not like crunchy gel, which I prefer. I guess it depends on the hairstyle. I feel like this will work for a twist out versus a wash and go, which I'm going to do today. So we'll see. And the reason why I say this because I feel like the crunchiness of gels make it last longer. Like soft hair is nice, but will it frizz quicker? I'm gonna start by shampooing my hair, which I'm gonna do off camera, and I will come back while I condition my hair. I just want to show you guys how crunchy my hair is looking. This is an old wash and go that I used my usual Cantu curling cream, and I had used Eco Style gel. I believe I used the black seed one. And those two are my like OGs, like staple items I've been using since I big chopped. So yeah, that's what I used. My hair is like all crusty and dry. So it's time for the wash. I washed my hair last week. I usually wash my hair every 2 weeks, but since it feels dry, I'm gonna use my new products and see how it goes. So I'll be back. This is how it comes, with a little plastic protector to pop that baby off. And then with this first, see how much I need. A little more. I like to go in with a lot. Wow, I'm really like shook it. Oh, I did not expect this. But wow, this is really, really good. Wow. Okay, let's move on before my hair dries. I used it on my son's hair earlier, but his hair is already like curly. Like his hair is a little bit looser curled than mine. So I'm like, oh, his hair always look like that. But I'm really impressed on my 4 type hair. Yes, and then it feels very, very light. Like, it doesn't feel heavy at all. Wowzers. Got some competition. Maybe the $40 is worth it. It might be worth it. This might be a true wash and go. You know what I'm saying? Like less dedication, less effort. I probably don't have to use that much. I'm just always heavy-handed with products, like making sure it doesn't frizz. But yeah, I'm quite impressed. Like it doesn't look like I tried to add gel. It looks like I just washed my hair and literally like, hi, this is my natural hair without putting anything in it. That's what it's giving. And I love the smell of the products too. Like it's very like springy, professional. Like it smells like I went to the salon and got my hair done. Very fresh and not like so overbearingly strong. Like I work at a hospital and like one of the complaints I had was with a patient that my hair product smelled too strong for, he was saying his wife has an allergy issue. And he was like, not to be rude, but your hair has a very strong perfume smell that might, flare up my wife's allergies. I'm so impressed that I'm so disappointed that this is all it took. Like, I'm like, what the heck? Like, I feel like I want to do more, like keep manipulating my hair, but I don't have to. I'm just gonna add just a little bit more just to make it feel like I'm doing something. But yeah, overall, as of right now, while it's wet, I'm giving it a 10, like 9.5. Not sure if I'm gonna let it air dry. It's 5 o'clock. I gotta be somewhere at 8, so I might have to blow dry it out. Like blow drying your hair, like diffusing it will like take the definition away. So it might be frizzy. I'm very happy with the results. I know that it will have a banging twist out look. But we'll try that next time. I'm gonna have to try it on my boyfriend hair next, but it's gonna be a minute before I get that video out. You know how long it took me to do this itself. Turn around, because I don't think I even turned around. So yeah, that's my wash and go, and I will see you guys in the next video. Thank you guys for watching. Just like fireworks, you are popping. Don't let anybody tell you any different. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.